Hey there, nature lovers. Ever wondered how life keeps going generation after generation? How the intricate dance of life continues seamlessly, ensuring the survival of species? Well, today, we're diving into the fascinating world of reproductive cycles. These cycles are nature's way of ensuring that life persists, adapting and thriving through the ages. Let's start with our furry friends. Animals like dogs and cats have their own unique reproductive rhythms. These animals follow a reproductive cycle that is meticulously timed. Female dogs and cats come into heat at specific intervals, signaling their readiness to mate and produce offspring. This cycle is all about timing. These animals come into heat at specific intervals, ready to mate and produce offspring. It's a natural mechanism that ensures the continuation of their species. It's nature's way of ensuring they spread their genes at just the right moment. This timing is crucial for the survival of their young, as it often coincides with favorable environmental conditions. Now, humans are a bit different. Our reproductive cycle is more complex and involves a series of hormonal changes. We have the menstrual cycle, a roughly 28-day cycle that prepares a woman's body for pregnancy. This cycle involves the thickening of the uterine lining, ovulation, and if no pregnancy occurs, menstruation. This roughly 28-day cycle prepares a woman's body for pregnancy. It's a complex interplay of hormones that ensures the body is ready to nurture new life. If no pregnancy occurs, the cycle resets. This process repeats itself, month after month until menopause. It's a complex but beautifully orchestrated process that repeats until menopause. Each phase of the cycle has its own purpose and significance, contributing to the overall reproductive health of the individual. But wait, plants have reproductive cycles too? Many plants sync their flowering with the seasons, ensuring they bloom when conditions are optimal for pollination. Many plants sync their flowering with the seasons. Spring is the perfect time for blooming because the conditions are just right for pollination. Spring is the perfect time for blooming because the conditions are just right for pollination. The warmer temperatures and increased daylight hours create an ideal environment for flowers to open and attract pollinators. They rely on insects, wind, or water to spread their pollen and create the next generation of plants. This intricate process ensures genetic diversity and the survival of plant species. Some species take it to the extreme. Ever heard of annual plants? These plants complete their entire life cycle, from germination to seed production, in just 1 year. Ever heard of annual plants? They complete their entire life cycle, from germination to seed production, in just 1 year. Think about that. They rush through life, reproduce, and die all within a single season. They complete their entire life cycle, from germination to seed production, in just 1 year. Think about that. They rush through life, reproduce, and die all within a single season. They rush through life, reproduce, and die all within a single season. This rapid cycle allows them to take advantage of short growing seasons and ensures their seeds are ready to sprout when conditions are favorable again. So, why do these cycles matter? They are nature's clockwork, ensuring the survival and adaptation of species. Each cycle is perfectly tuned to the needs of the organism and the environment. They are nature's clockwork, ensuring the survival and adaptation of species. Each cycle is perfectly tuned to the needs of the organism and the environment. This delicate balance sustains life on Earth. Each cycle is perfectly tuned to the needs of the organism and the environment. It's a delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. From the tiniest insect to the largest mammal, every living being plays a role in this grand symphony of life. It's a delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Curious to learn more about how these cycles shape our world? Curious to learn more about how these cycles shape our world? Hit subscribe and let's embark on this journey together. Hit subscribe and let's explore the wonders of nature together. Remember, nature's wonders are all around us, from the smallest seed to the largest tree. From the tiniest insect to the most majestic animal, every living being is part of this incredible tapestry of life. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. The more we learn about nature, the more we appreciate its beauty and complexity. Text on screen. Reproductive cycles, nature's clockwork.